Omu mwaka gw'2007 gavumenti ekiha abarisa omu irindiro ry'enyamishwa erya Queen Elizabeth National Park yatandika kubatwara omugombora ya Kiswamba omu itaka ery'abasirikare aho yabahireho itaka rikye ngu babe nibaturaho. Okurugerera aha batura hamwe n'abebembezi nibagira ngu gavumenti ikaba ebaraganise hekazi 35 ngu babe niho batura. Enyumaho abarisa bakesharinga ubwo bari kugira ngo bwebembezi bwa district ya Kasese nubwenda kubanyagaho itaka ryabo. Izoba rya nyumwe bazyo Sam Mayanja or state minister w'ibyamataka ayizire kuvuganaho embazo mbiri ez'abarisa hamwe n'abahinji abatwire nibarwanira itakeri konka babire bine ebhandiko byo kwetombwita ekirugirireho okongeza y'inshonga zabo okusyo rwa kabiri orwesabite rukwija.
I can't sit down and write it myself. I have directed the RDC to sit down with the representatives of both sides to make sure no point is left out. And he will send that letter to the controller in State House, and all sides will mobilize during these few days. We don't want this to continue anymore. It must end.
Festo Kajura omwe omubarisa najya ngo tubaru kwija kwicereza ngo itaka ryabo repemwe ahagati yabo hamwe n'abahinji.
I don't think we will be able, and I need to make it clear here, I don't think we'll be able to get a surveyor within a short space of time. Even then, we know our land is not mentioned as land to be surveyed for the settlement of other people.
Ile ntusaba ngo abarkwendi itaka lyankoko yitwe nkabalisa babanza batupimireho ezaitu hike 35 bazite harubazo bazitukwase nukwerera sagara bali habande habukubitaka leno tukalihewa government.
Ibrahim Rujumba omuhinji nagira ngo gavumenti ekaba ebaraganise heka z'urukwika rushanju kagana mushanju konka bakashanga zirukushangwa omuzabarisa
ekazi rusanvu nkaga mu mukaga wetusanga nga ziri mu ekazi 35 already tetuziri mu tulina wabwe tujja kusigala wetuli naye bwe kisangibwa nti ezaffe rusanvu nkaga mu mukaga weziri tusaba government ezikomyewo.
The two groups have kept peace. They kept peace without fighting. In fact, though there were some exchanges, but we ably managed it with my security team to see that at least up to today, we are still living as brothers and sisters.
Honorable Soweri Kitanywa omunyishengero wa Busongola South we nagira ngo gavumenti eremerwe kusyaho obuhereza abantu abarukushangwa omwanyogo.
You will see that we do not have social services. The schools, the road, the health center, water, etc. All of them are in a sort of state.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.